Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Italy? The average annual gross salary is $19,800. That is roughly $1,650 per month. After tax, the average net salary is $15,444 per year, or about $1,287 per month. In Rome, the average gross salary is higher at $22,176 per year. This is roughly $1,848 per month. The net salary there is $17,797 annually, or about $1,441 each month. Experience, cleaning skills, and the type of workplace can affect pay. Night work and weekend shifts may also bring higher earnings. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.